Finding a PC case that looks like a high-end showpiece, but includes every single fan you need, is usually a pipe dream. The FOIFKIN F1 ATX mid-tower is stepping into the ring to prove that a premium dual-chamber aesthetic does not have to come with a premium price tag. Right away, the most striking thing about this case is the fan configuration. It comes pre-installed with 6 PWM ARGB fans, and here is the clever part: 5 of them are reverse blade fans. This allows for optimal intake airflow while keeping the beautiful side of the fan facing the glass, so there are no ugly plastic frames blocking the view of the hardware. The dual-chamber design is the real hero here, physically separating the heat-generating components like the GPU and CPU from the power supply and storage drives. This does not just help with thermal performance, it makes cable management almost effortless because there is a massive hidden compartment to tuck away all those messy wires. Speaking of hardware, the compatibility is impressive for a mid-tower. It can accommodate a massive 400mm graphics card, which covers basically every flagship GPU on the market. If liquid cooling is the goal, the top supports a full 360mm radiator, while air cooling fans can fit towers up to 170mm tall. The front I/O is also surprisingly modern, featuring a dedicated Type-C port alongside the standard USB 3.0 and audio jacks. The high-hardness tempered glass panels wrap around the side and front, giving a crystal-clear view of the components from multiple angles. It feels sturdy, looks incredibly sleek in black, and the included LED switch button makes it easy to cycle through lighting effects. It is a rare find that balances massive airflow, high-end compatibility, and a stunning visual presentation right out of the box. For anyone looking to build a powerful gaming rig that looks like a custom masterpiece, the FOIFKIN F1 is an absolute powerhouse of a value proposition.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.